I'm Joseph Patrick, co-founder of Lamont Brothers. And in today's video, I want to give you an overview of how long a whole home remodel takes. Now, a whole home remodel can be a pretty big range. It can be anything from a fairly small house and the main living area, kitchen, and a bathroom or two on a small home, or it can be a large home, maybe an addition on each end of the home and a complete gut in between. And so the cost range for these can be anywhere from a couple $100,000 on the really small end to over $1 million in terms of remodeling size. But in today's video, I want to hit both those and give you an idea of how long they take. You're going to see them basically broken up into 3 stages. You're going to have the discovery phase where you interview different contractors and designers, you discover what's possible, you discover what your budget can do. Then you're going to have the design phase, and then you're going to have the prep and construction phase. So the initial discovery phase can take anywhere from a couple weeks to a couple of months, because sometimes it just takes enough time to interview enough people. Sometimes it depends on how well you like the people you meet with initially. I always encourage our clients to meet with several different people because it gives them a range of perspective in terms of how people solve problems, how people look at the space, so that they're not just stuck with one way of looking at it. They see some range, and then they can choose the people that they love the best. Then you move into the design phase. The design phase for a whole home remodel could take probably minimum 6 to 8 weeks, up to a good 3 to 4 months, depending on the size of project, everything that's involved, whether you need surveys, how long engineering takes. And so it could be a good 4 months for the design process or longer. All of these are kind of general ranges. Then you move into the prep and construction phase. Your prep phase is where you get permits, you order all the products and materials, you lock in scheduling dates with subcontractors and other people involved in the project. And that can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks or longer, depending on the jurisdiction. Sometimes there's planning reviews that are a part of the permit process that can make it take much longer. Sometimes you need to get adjustments that can take several months just to get someone at the city to look at it. And so this is kind of on an ideal time frame, about a 6 to 8 weeks, but easily 6 months, depending on all of these steps that may or may not have to happen for your project. Then you move into the construction phase. And for a whole home remodel, if we're talking on that smaller end of the scale, you're talking probably anywhere from 4 to 6 months. If you're talking about a massive project, you're probably talking 6 months to a year in terms of actual construction, depending on the scale and the size and everything that's involved. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was educational to you as you think through a whole home remodel and how long you're going to have to plan to do this, how long you might have to be out of your house, and everything that's involved with the time frame. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. There's a link to our website below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful info about home remodeling. Thanks.